القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. Welcome to lesson number 11, reading practice. Now you have come to the part of this journey of yours in which you will now incorporate everything that you have learnt and you will start the reading practice. So in the previous lessons from part 1 of the Quranic reading program till now, you have learned the basic building blocks of the Quranic reading, along with some rules of joining words and ending on them. Following on from this lesson, we will practice all that has been learnt. So the outcomes from this following lessons will include increasing the fluency in reading, joining words correctly, and ending the recitation, meaning ending on the words correctly. Now, before we move on, it's imperative that you listen to some of the famous Qurra means reciters, the expert reciters of the Quran, as much as possible in your free time. So, although there are many reciters out there, these are some of the reciters in which I recommend you to listen to really get a good understanding, because these reciters are real masters of pronunciation and Tajweed. So when you listen to them, then you will have a really good grasp as to how the Quran should be read. Now, whenever obviously I'm a non-Arab, so whenever I recite the Quran and if I want to check something, and in fact, my teachers, majority of them are all Arabs, and even the ones who are non-Arabs, they also either lived in an Arab country for so long and they speak fluent Arabic. And so, for example, one of my teachers who's a non-Arab, he is on the Ijaza Council of Al-Azhar University, which is the famous university in Egypt, which means that he authorizes people, so Arabs and non-Arabs alike, to become teachers of the Quran. And one of my other teachers who's non-Arab, he used to teach in the Prophet's mosque in Medina, Masjidun Nabawi sallallahu alayhi wasallam. So both of these non-Arab teachers are just like Arabs, and my Arab teachers also, so my Arab teachers, they also check their recitations with these famous reciters. Okay, so the links have been given to you here in your slides, so you should utilize these links. And the first one is Abdullah Basfar, second one is Abdul Basit Abdul Samad, Ali Al-Hudhayfi, Ibrahim Al-Akhdar, Mahmoud Khalil Al-Husari, Mishari Al-Afasi, Muhammad Al-Siddiq Al-Minshawi, and Muftah Al-Sultani. Okay, so any of these that you choose, and inshallah you'll be able to recite very well. So in the next video we will be looking at the exercises and we'll read these together.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Assalamu alaikum. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.